I got a hit. I got a hit. Got a fish. Nice. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be hitting up the river, and we're also going to be on a boat with my dad. So y'all stick around. It's going to be fun. We're going to try and get on some crappie. Alright, guys, we're at this bait shop, and they have like all kinds of vintage stuff. All these vintage hooks. So cool. So if you guys want to see me come back and do a video on vintage fishing stuff, let me know. Alright, guys, we stopped at the store and got a bunch of minnows. Look at them. Beautiful. I'm gonna go take them down to the river and see if we can catch some fishies. Oh. Ah. Well, I'm not a crappie fisherman, but we're gonna run it like this. We got a weight on the bottom and a little pink jig here, and then up from that we got a live minnow. So I'm gonna drop it down, see what happens. I got a hit. I got a hit. I got a fish. Nice. Fish number one, crappie, big old crappie on the pink jig. No.
You put some water in your bucket?
Not yet. Beautiful white crappie on that pink jig. Sweet. I'll put him up here in the live well.
In the front hole.
Give him a kiss him.
That's good.
There we go.
Nice.
Add him to the collection. Pink jig, you want one?
You caught him on a jig?
Yeah, pink jig.
Okay. This is the winner of the day.
What you got there, Dad?
That right there is funny now.
Big old crappie, boy.
I need a picture of that dude.
Big old crappie. Hey, we got a big one and a small one, and they both were on that pink jig. He gone. That's hilarious. Did you even know he was on there? What you got here, boy? What you got? Oh, he came off. No, he didn't. There he is. They're getting bigger every time.
Yeah, I'm stair-stepping up, man. He's not 10 inches, though.
No, he ain't quite there. You got a fish? What you got going on? Another crappie. You're wearing me out.
Yeah, they're just not big enough.
Something got my minnow.
Oh, there we go.
Got a good one? Yeah.
Oh, dang, hello.
What is it? Catfish? Channel cat.
Take him home, put him in my pond.
That's what you should have done. Put him in your live well. Well, that was our attempt at doing some crappie fishing. I'm not a crappie fisherman at all. I'm more of a bass fisherman. Hope you guys enjoyed doing a little bit of crappie fishing. We didn't do a whole lot, but we did get some fish in the boat. I guess till the next fishing adventure, we'll see y'all next time.